Before your onboarding call, there are a few quick prerequisites to complete for Duplicare. This process usually takes between 5 and 20 minutes, and we recommend following along with the steps in this video. First, confirm your Microsoft Dynamics 365 product version. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Settings gear icon, then select About. In the window that appears, look for the version number. The first number should begin with at least 8.1. Next, check how your Dynamics 365 instance is hosted. Your environment must either be hosted by Microsoft with a domain ending in dynamics.com or configured for internet-facing deployment, also known as IFD. You will also need a Data8 account. For Duplicare to work correctly, we need to connect securely to your CRM environment. To do this, visit the address shown on screen and enter your CRM connection details. When registering your connection, you can authenticate using either an application user or a user account. Whichever option you choose, for us to configure your system, you will need to grant us certain security permissions. At a minimum, our account must have the Duplicare Administrator role and the System Customizer role. Configuring granular permissions can take some time. Because of this, we prefer System Administrator when possible. Additional permissions will also be required depending on how you plan to use Duplicare. For example, if you intend to merge accounts, we will need permissions not only for the account table, but also for any related child tables. If our systems encounter missing permissions during setup, our team will contact you and let you know exactly what needs to be adjusted. Next, install the Duplicare solution. If you are installing from Microsoft Marketplace, simply select Install. If you have received a zip file, you can import it manually. To do this, go to the Power Apps portal shown on screen. Make sure you're in the correct environment, which can be checked in the top right corner. Then select Solutions from the left-hand navigation menu. Click Import, select the zip file you were sent, and follow the prompts by clicking Next, Import, and once the import is complete, click Close. The Duplicare solution is now installed. All configuration for Duplicare is completed within its own model-driven application. To access this, open your list of apps and select Duplicare Administration. When the app opens, you will land on the configuration page. At this stage, the solution will automatically attempt to retrieve your license from Data8. If your license has not been applied, or if anything appears incorrect, please contact your Data8 account manager. Additional options can be configured by selecting the Settings cog. If you plan to use address standardization, you will need to enter a data rate server-side API key. This key can be created within the Data8 portal. You can also control where your data is processed. The Data Processing Location setting allows you to select the region where external data processing will occur. By default, processing takes place in Data8 data centers. If you require additional processing locations, please contact your Data8 account manager. Once these prerequisites are complete, please contact your Data8 account manager so we can prepare for your onboarding session. We look forward to helping you get started.